When we hear the name Gautam Buddha, we think of peace, wisdom, and enlightenment. But have you ever wondered what exactly made him a Buddha? Was he born divine? Was he chosen? Or did he become a Buddha through his own journey? Siddhartha Gautama was born a prince. He had every comfort, every luxury, every pleasure that life could offer. Yet, even surrounded by abundance, his heart could not rest. He kept asking the questions that would define his life. First, why do we suffer? Second, why sickness? Third, why old age? Fourth, why death? These four questions he kept asking himself. These questions planted the first seeds of awakening. A Buddha is not born, a Buddha is made, forced by the fire of questions that shake the soul. Everything changed the day Siddhartha saw suffering with his own eyes. The four sets: an old man, a sick man, a corpse, and a monk, revealed a truth he could no longer ignore. Life is impermanent. Life is suffering. Life is a cycle we cannot escape. And at that moment, the prince became a seeker. The journey of Buddha had begun. One night, he walked away from his palace, leaving behind his identity, his comfort, everything he loved. He chose truth over comfort, reality over illusion. A Buddha is made when a person finds the courage to leave behind the world and face the answers that lie beyond it. For 6 long years, Siddhartha practiced extreme meditation, breath control, starvation, and severe discipline. He pushed his body to the edge of death. Yet, he learned something powerful. Extremes cannot lead to awakening. True awakening comes through balance, the middle path, not through pain, not through indulgence. Then came the night under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. With one unshakable vow, I will not rise until I attain the truth. He faced his desires, his fears, his illusions, and the temptations of Maya. Through the night, he confronted everything within himself. And as the morning star rose, he awakened. Gautama Buddha Gautama became a Buddha not because he gained powers, not because gods blessed him, but because he understood the deepest truths: the nature of suffering, the cause of suffering, the end of suffering, and the path that leads to that end. These are the four noble truths. A Buddha is one who sees reality exactly as it is, without desire, fear, or illusion. The word Buddha means the awakened one. It is someone who has fully understood impermanence, non self, karma, compassion, and liberation. A Buddha is a human who reached the highest wisdom through his own effort. He is not a god. He is not a prophet. He is a human who discovered the deepest truth of existence and showed that anyone can do the same. So, what makes Gautama a Buddha? Not birth, not miracles, not divine gifts, but awakening, understanding, compassion, and the courage to face reality with a perfectly clear mind. Through his journey, he reminds us that the path to enlightenment is open to anyone. With mindfulness, self reflection, and courage, every person can awaken to the truth within themselves.